Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can turn off the Snapchat shutter sound in your Android and iOS devices. So you use the Snapchat application to click a lot of pictures and videos, and when you click the pictures there's a shutter sound in the Snapchat and it's way too loud, you don't like that sound, you want to disable that sound but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to disable the Snapchat shutter sound in very easy way. So the first thing you want to do is open the Snapchat application. So there is no option to disable the Snapchat shutter sound using your Snapchat application settings or your phone settings. So to disable the sound, what you want to do is turn your phone's volume all the way down. In Android, doing that works, but if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, that won't work. What you'll need to do is enable your silent mode in your phone. To do that, what you can do is use the button on the left hand side of your phone. Once you enable the silent mode in your iPhone, you'll successfully disable the Snapchat shutter sound on your Snapchat application. In Android, you just need to turn the volume down. In iPhone, you'll need to turn the phone in the silent mode. So those are the two simple ways to turn off your Snapchat application shutter sound. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.